May bagong go-to order kami sa Yabu and ang sasarap din pala ng appetizers dito. Hey friends, when we saw the Bald Baker's post about this new item from Yabu, nagaya agad si Lovie kahit weekday. We both got the 80 grams Rosu Tornado Omelette Curry set. Sa akin regular spiciness, si Lovie hot level. This also comes with only white or brown rice, miso soup, cabbage, and fruits. Of course, the Rosu is good. Go-to namin yung regular Rosu dito. Meaty, not fatty, and tender. Ang sarap nung curry nila friends. Has depth of flavor and kahit yung mild may kick of spice pa rin, perfect for me. Bagay with the creamy cabbage salad. Si Lovie naman natuwa dun sa hot level of spiciness. Now, ang highlight for us, the omelette itself. There's about 2 eggs per serving and it's perfectly cooked, may silkiness. You can definitely taste the egg even with the curry sauce and pork. We tried some of their appetizers for the first time. Addicting yung furikake fries, kids will love this. Pero favorite ni Lovie yung mozzarella katsu sticks. I mean, look at how cheesy it is. Sarap pa with the